If you're passing by this old wooden bar off Queen Height Road in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, not for a second would you imagine that behind its rustic walls is a makeshift classroom. And what's even more interesting, the teacher is a 14-year-old, Kelvin Peart. On weekdays, the 8th grader who attends the Ferncourt High School in St. Anne would set up class here for about 10 students. Kelvin says the idea came about after he and his father realized the many students were struggling with access to online learning.
Teaching students subjects, mathematics, language arts, science and social studies. Faith has 4 eggs and she
No blackboard, no problem. What's more important is getting the work done. He says at first, many were reluctant to participate, but once he started, the numbers kept growing.
Feel good helping these students, and they're cooperative, they're willing to learn.
But how does Kelvin juggle this with his own schoolwork?
In the morning I address them, keep devotion, topic mathematics first, then tell them the topic, went through it with them, give them work, then I attend my class. When I get break, I give them break the same time, which is 10:50. Then send them out to break, I eat my breaks, we come back in, do another subject, which is language arts. After I give them the topic, I went through it with them, then give them work, then start my work, and I do it like that over and over.
One of the parents, Latoya Grant, says not only is she impressed with his level of maturity, but she's also seeing improvements in her child.
I don't have the time to keep up with her schoolwork, so it's a great relief for me to have the assistance.
Kevin Peart, Kelvin's father, says he recognized his son's potential from a tender age.
When I see him start this program, I know I see kids from all about want come and can't come because they don't have enough space. And they say, look, I have a build up a big space, put him.
He's encouraging other parents, especially fathers, to support their children in their endeavors.
They say, when I did not dash away, take care of you with them because you know what they're going to come be. And stop killing kids them. That could be the next Prime Minister.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.